Okay, now do you remember a while ago that we were actually making a timer and we got our program to count down for us? Well, that kind of makes Snap a bit harder if we have a little countdown. So I've stopped it, I've gone back into design mode, and remember that's not a common control. We actually had that at the bottom of components. So I'm dragging a timer onto my form. It now appears down here. In its property, I'm going to start this one at 2 seconds. So that's an interval between clicks of 2000, which is 2000 milliseconds. Okay, now, at the moment, we've got the thing running on button 1. So each time button 1 clicks, it draws. I'm going to change that now. I'm going to go back into my form. I'm going to double click on timer. So we've now got an event for every time it ticks. And I'm going to go back up to my button 1 click event and everything inside it, but not including its end sub. So all of that, I'm going to cut. I'm going to paste that inside our timer tick. I then go up to where my button 1 dot click is, and I simply go timer 1 dot enabled equals true. Go to my thing, and instead of draw there, I'm going to change the default to start. Okay. Oops, I should save. Give that a quick test. Now nothing happens until I press the start, and if we look, every 2 seconds it will give me one of those. Hey, I won. Oh, I lost. It was wrong. You get the idea? So we've made it slightly harder now by adding in the timer. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you, from components at the bottom, take in a timer and drag it over the form to add it. Cut, then I'll double click on the timer, cut the contents that was in button 1 and paste them inside the sub that you just created for a timer. There we are. Go back up to button 1 and just go timer 1 dot enabled equals true. So this is starting to make it more of a challenging game. Got that? Away you go.